Did you know that a good dash cam can be the difference between confusion and clarity during an incident? In today's review, we'll be diving into the VIOFO A119 V3, a 2K 25560 by 1440p dash cam that promises crisp footage, versatile parking modes, and reliable performance. If you're serious about protecting yourself on the road, you'll want to hear this breakdown. Welcome to Autovated, where we review the latest in automotive tech. Today, we're taking a closer look at the VIOFO A119 V3 dashcam, a product designed for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's security and capture high-quality footage while driving. We'll dive into its features, performance, and how it stacks up against other top dashcams. The VIOFO A119 V3 stands out with its impressive 1440p QHD+ recording at 60 FPS thanks to the advanced SMP IMX335 STARVIS sensor. This setup helps produce stunningly clear video, even in low-light conditions, making it ideal for both day and night driving. The lens has a 140 degrees field of view, reducing distortion and capturing a broader scene. However, keep in mind that when HDR is enabled, the frame rate drops to 30 FPS at 1440p. The camera also boasts superior night vision, with HDR technology balancing the highlights and shadows for clearer nighttime footage, allowing you to capture crucial details like license plates. For parking, the VIOFO A119 V3 has you covered with 3 parking mode options: auto event detection, time-lapse, and low bitrate recording. Auto event detection captures video before and after a motion or impact event, so you won't miss a thing, even when you're parked. Keep in mind, though, that to activate these features, you'll need to purchase the VIOFO HK3 ACC hardwire kit separately. This adds an extra step and expense, but it does provide seamless parking mode functionality. One standout feature is the integrated GPS module, which records real-time speed, timestamps, and GPS route data. This can be invaluable in an incident, as it provides clear evidence of your exact location, speed, and the time of the event. It's an excellent way to ensure that you have all the documentation you need. Now let's take a look at the pros and cons. Pros: the video quality is excellent, particularly with the 60 FPS recording at 1440p, offering smooth and clear footage, both in the day and night. The integrated GPS module is a great addition, providing crucial data that adds weight to your footage. Parking mode options are versatile, offering peace of mind when your vehicle is parked. The night vision performance is superb, especially when compared to many other dash cams in the same price range. Cons: the HDR feature, while improving night footage, reduces the frame rate to 30 FPS, which might be a deal breaker for some. The need to purchase the VIOFO HK3 ACC hardwire cable separately for parking mode functionality is an added cost and inconvenience. Some users report that the installation process could be easier, especially for those not familiar with wiring dash cams. In terms of value for money, the VIOFO A119 V3 offers solid performance for its price. While it's on the higher end for dash cams, the combination of video quality, parking modes, and GPS tracking makes it a strong contender in its class. Compared to competitors like the Vantru N2 Pro or the Garmin Dashcam 66 BW, the VIOFO A119 V3 holds its ground with superior video quality, especially in low-light conditions, but it does lack the dual-camera setup that some of its competitors offer. If you're looking for a top-quality front-facing cam, the A119 V3 is a great choice, but if you need coverage of both front and rear, you might want to look at alternatives. The build quality feels solid, and with the advanced imaging technology, it's likely to last long-term without major issues. However, some users have reported concerns about occasional freezing during longer recordings, so it's something to keep an eye on. So, who is this product for? The VIOFO A119 V3 is ideal for daily commuters, road trip enthusiasts, or anyone who values security and clarity on the road. If you're not bothered by the additional parking mode hardware and need a solid dash cam that captures high-quality footage, this is a great pick. In conclusion, I would recommend the VIOFO A119 V3 if you're looking for a dash cam that delivers great video quality, enhanced night vision, and a reliable GPS tracking feature. If you're more concerned with ease of installation or need a rear-facing camera, you might want to consider alternatives. If this review has helped you decide whether the VIOFO A119 V3 is the right dashcam for you, Give us a like and subscribe. If you've got any questions or already own this product, drop a comment below and let us know your experience. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay autovated for the latest and greatest in automotive tech. Catch you next time.